This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Appearance Package, a limited slip differential, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, a premium audio system, big 18-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Thank you for considering Bob Stahl Chevrolet for your next new or used vehicle. Our family-owned dealership has been serving the San Diego area for over 40 years. And remember, every new vehicle comes with our low price guarantee. We are conveniently located at 7601 Alvarado Road in La Mesa, just 4 miles east of Qualcomm Stadium. We look forward to serving you.